The path to your dreams is closer than you think. The power to manifest your deepest desires lies within you, waiting to be unleashed. The act as if principle is the key to opening this extraordinary potential. It's a simple yet profound shift in mindset that can transform your life. By embodying the feeling of having your wish fulfilled, even before it materializes in the physical world, you set in motion a powerful chain of events. In this video, we'll look into the science behind this profound technique, break down the practical steps to make it work for you, and equip you with the tools to overcome any doubts or obstacles. Get ready to discover a new way of thinking and being that will empower you to create the life you've always envisioned. At the heart of manifesting your dreams is a simple yet profound shift in perspective. It's about moving beyond wishful thinking and stepping into the reality of your desires. The core concept is this: act as if your wish is already fulfilled. This isn't about pretending or fooling yourself. It's about intentionally cultivating the feeling, the energy, the absolute knowingness that what you desire is already yours. It's about inhabiting the emotion of gratitude for a gift already received, the excitement of a goal already achieved, the satisfaction of a dream already lived. Think of it like this. When you anticipate a joyful event, you don't wait until the moment arrives to feel happy. You begin to experience that joy in advance. You savor the anticipation, you visualize the experience, and you allow yourself to bask in the positive emotions. This is the same principle at play with the act as if method. By embodying the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, you create a vibrational match for your desire. You become a magnet for the experiences, opportunities, and resources that will bring your dreams into reality. It's as if you're sending a signal to the universe saying, "I'm ready for this. I'm aligned with this. This is already mine." This isn't about denying the current reality or ignoring the challenges you may face. It's about choosing to focus on the outcome you desire and allowing that focus to guide your thoughts, feelings, and actions. It's about trusting in the power of your intention and the intelligence of the universe to deliver what you've asked for. The act as if principle is not a magic formula for instant gratification. It's a conscious choice to shift your perspective, to elevate your vibration, and to align yourself with the frequency of your dreams. It's about recognizing that you are a co-creator of your reality, and that your thoughts, feelings, and actions have the power to shape your experience. So, how do you start acting as if? It begins with a deep understanding of your desire. What do you truly want to experience? Get crystal clear on your wish, and then allow yourself to fully immerse in the feeling of having it already. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement, the peace, whatever emotions are associated with the fulfillment of your desire. This may involve visualization techniques, affirmations, or simply spending time each day basking in the feeling of having what you want. The key is to make it a consistent practice, a way of being, rather than just a fleeting thought or action. The act as if principle isn't just wishful thinking, it's rooted in the profound connection between your mind and body. Your thoughts and emotions aren't just abstract concepts. They have a tangible impact on your physical state and the experiences you attract into your life. Think of your emotions as energy. Positive emotions like joy, gratitude, and excitement vibrate at a high frequency, while negative emotions like fear, doubt, and anger vibrate at a lower frequency. When you cultivate the feeling of having your wish fulfilled, you raise your vibrational energy to match the frequency of your desire. This higher vibration acts like a magnet, attracting experiences, opportunities, and people that align with your newfound state of being. Your mind is a powerful tool, and your thoughts shape your reality. When you consistently act as if your wish is already fulfilled, you're essentially reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe it's true. This belief, in turn, influences your actions, decisions, and the opportunities you attract. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy in the most positive sense. The first step to manifesting your dreams is clarity. Take some time to reflect on what you truly desire. What does your heart yearn for? What would bring you joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose? Get specific. Don't just say, "I want to be happy." Define what happiness looks like for you. Is it a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, vibrant health, financial abundance, or something else entirely? Write down your wish in clear, concise terms. Be as detailed as possible. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to focus your energy and align your actions with your desire. Remind yourself that this is your wish, your dream. Don't let anyone else's opinions or expectations cloud your vision. Once you've identified your wish, it's time to bring it to life within you. This is where the act as if principle comes into play. Immerse yourself in the feeling of already having what you desire. There are many ways to do this. You can visualize yourself experiencing the fulfillment of your wish. See it, feel it, taste it, smell it. Engage all your senses to create a vivid mental picture. You can also use affirmations, positive statements that reinforce the belief that your wish is already yours. Repeat them daily with conviction until they become your reality. Another powerful technique is to find ways to express gratitude for your wish, as if it has already manifested. Write thank you notes to the universe, keep a gratitude journal, or simply spend a few moments each day reflecting on the blessings that are on their way. The key is to find what works best for you and to make it a consistent practice. The more you immerse yourself in the feeling of having your wish fulfilled, the more you align your energy with its frequency, and the faster it will manifest in your physical reality. Embodying the feeling of your wish fulfilled isn't just an internal process, it's a way of life. Align your actions, thoughts, and words with the reality you're creating. If your wish is to have a successful business, start taking the steps you would take if you were already running that business. Dress for the job you want, network with potential clients, create a business plan, and speak with confidence about your vision. If your wish is to find love, start acting as if you're already in a loving relationship. Treat yourself with kindness and respect. Create space in your life for a partner, and engage in activities that bring you joy. Remind yourself that your actions create your reality. By living as if your wish is already fulfilled, you're sending a powerful message to the universe and to yourself that you're ready to receive it. It's natural for doubts to creep in on your journey to manifestation. You might question whether this method truly works, or you might struggle to maintain the feeling of having your wish fulfilled when faced with challenges. But recall that doubt is simply a sign that you're stepping outside your comfort zone and into a new realm of possibility. Don't be discouraged by doubts. They're a normal part of the process. Instead, acknowledge them, and then gently redirect your focus back to your desired outcome. When those whispers of disbelief arise, remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. Reconnect with the excitement and anticipation you felt when you first identified your wish. Visualize yourself overcoming any obstacles that stand in your way. Feel the strength and resilience within you. Remind yourself that you are capable, resourceful, and deserving of your dreams. And most importantly, trust in the process. Trust that even when things seem uncertain, The universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desires into fruition. If you like what you're seeing, please consider subscribing. It's free and keeps you updated with the latest videos. Consistency is key to unlocking the full power of the act as if principle. It's not enough to simply have a fleeting thought or engage in a one-time visualization. To truly shift your reality, you must commit to daily practice. Make it a habit to spend a few moments each day immersing yourself in the feeling of having your wish fulfilled. This could involve visualizing your desired outcome, repeating affirmations, expressing gratitude, or engaging in activities that align with your vision. The more consistent you are, the more you reinforce the belief that your wish is already yours. You create a momentum that propels you forward on your path to manifestation. It's like planting a seed and nurturing it with daily care until it blossoms into a beautiful flower. Consistency doesn't mean perfection. There will be days when you struggle to maintain the feeling of having your wish fulfilled. That's okay. Simply acknowledge the challenge, gently release any negative thoughts, and refocus your energy on your desired outcome. Recall that this is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself and trust in the process. The more you practice the act as if mindset, the more natural it will become, and the more effortlessly your dreams will manifest in your reality. The act as if principle isn't limited to just one area of your life. It's a versatile tool that can be applied to all aspects of your existence. Imagine the possibilities when you bring this mindset into your career, relationships, health, and beyond. In your career, envision yourself excelling in your current role or landing that dream job. Feel the satisfaction of achieving your goals and making a meaningful contribution. Let that feeling guide your actions as you take on new challenges, pursue opportunities, and build relationships with colleagues and mentors. In your relationships, envision yourself surrounded by love, support, and deep connection. Feel the warmth of healthy friendships, the intimacy of a loving partnership, or the joy of spending time with family. Let that feeling inspire you to be more present, compassionate, and understanding in your interactions. When it comes to your health, see yourself as vibrant, energetic, and full of vitality. Feel the strength and resilience of your body, the clarity and focus of your mind. Let that feeling motivate you to make choices that nourish your body, engage in activities that bring you joy, and prioritize your well-being. The act as if principle is not just about manifesting a single desire. It's about creating a life that is aligned with your highest vision. It's about becoming the architect of your own destiny and stepping into your full potential. The act as if principle is a powerful tool for manifesting your dreams. It's about more than just positive thinking. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with the reality you want to create. To make this principle work for you, start by getting clear on your specific desires. What do you truly want to experience? Once you've identified your wish, immerse yourself in the feeling of already having it. Visualize it, affirm it, and express gratitude for it as if it's already yours. Align your actions, thoughts, and words with your desired outcome. Live as if. Your wish is already fulfilled, and trust that the universe is working to bring it into your physical reality. Be consistent in your practice, even when faced with doubts or challenges. Recall that this is a journey, and the rewards are worth the effort. By accepting the act as if principle, you unlock the power within you to create a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. So, start today. Choose to act as if your wish is already fulfilled, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes. The act as if principle is your invitation to a life of limitless possibilities. It's a call to step into your power as a co-creator of your reality. So why wait? Start today. Begin acting as if your dreams are already yours. Allow yourself to feel the joy, the gratitude, and the fulfillment that comes with having what you desire. Watch as this simple shift in perspective opens doors you never knew existed and leads you to a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. If you're ready to explore the full potential of the act as if principle, show your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to this channel for more inspiring content.